Hi guys, this weekend we are going to be staying here at the Art of Animation. So I'm going to show you guys around the resort. Bree will show you a room tour, and then we will, yeah, that's what we'll do. Uh, I'll show you around the resort. Bree will show you the room. So come along, let's enjoy. All right, so as you walk through the main entrance, the main doors, it's really cool. Wow, really cool. Front entrance, colors. It's managed good on that side where the check-in is. But I love the way the art kind of starts at really basic and moves forward here. As you get closer to the end, it becomes more and more finished to the point when you get down here. Yeah, that's almost a completely like one thing. And then somebody there's Nemo, just Nemo, Moomba. So really cool. And you'll notice a theme. Four movies represented in everything here: Cars, The Mermaid, Lion King, and Finding Nemo. Show you where that comes from now. Show you the paint shop and the food court. So there's a large amount of art of animation specific merchandise, which is cool. They have a spirit jersey, a service tumbler, coffee mug, of course. Specific ears just for art of animation. Around on this side, some more different sizes of shirts. Um, a cow. They had a Christmas ornament when we first got here, but I think we sold out of that. There's a pen here. The pen's cute. Um, a women's shirt, men's t-shirt, a 3XL, which is nice. And there is a specific pen too. We're not going to go over there. I don't want to spend too much time on this part. There's a lot of people here. And then your standard surface food court. Although even here, you have Lion King, bars, Mermaid down there. Plus standard food court there. It's breakfast time. Huge drink section over here. Gonna drop the theming in here. Finding any more Mermaid. So pretty cool. Now let's go and explore a little bit more outside. As you exit the main lobby, you exit right out to the big blue pool, which is in the Finding Nemo themed area. Trees. There's a laundry right over there. There you go. Finding Nemo. All right. And so to start with, we're going to go to the right. And head towards cars. So let's start out here in Radiator Springs. This is the Cars themed area. As I said, there's 4 movies that are themed throughout this area. There is, or throughout this resort. So in the lobby, you have all 4 of them represented. What you saw a minute ago the Finding Nemo section. And then this is the Cars Land. Cars Land is pretty cool. Because they actually have, well, you'll see as we go through this is not uncommon, but beautiful cars. I'll also point out something here while we're in this section. Most of these sections, most of these sections are themed, are indoor entry buildings, is what I was trying to say. Sorry. So most of the resort is that. All right. So this is the second pool area here. This is in obviously Cars Land. Um, it's a smaller pool. You'll see the third pool is the same way. There's also another laundry over here, which is pretty cool. Um, and even down to the music changes in each section. I gotta check. We've been staying in Little Mermaid, but I don't feel like I've really heard any music. But there's distinctively music throughout Lion King, which will be our, well, the next full section we do. We're gonna cut back through Finding Nemo quickly. Show you a couple things there. So let's go. As I'm walking, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the resort, history of it. So the, what I can tell, well, Mermaid buildings were built to be part of Pop Century. This whole land was supposed to be part of Pop Century. The September 11th attacks, that was canceled. Um, and then in 2012, this whole resort opened as part of, well, a new resort, obviously. One of the things I found interesting about it, really, uh, is you can tell all the other buildings are internal entries hotels, whereas well, Mermaid is just when we get there is like All Star Resorts, and I assume Pop Century. I haven't been to Pop Century, um, where it's external entry. Um, so interesting to see, but let's keep moving here. I'll show you some of the big characters. There's some of the characters here in Finding Nemo. You got Ray. There's obviously Nemo and his dad. Some other fish in the splash pad. Crush. The theming, like always, is amazing. Oh man, little playground back here. I'm not going to film any more of that, but that's pretty cool. Right here at the back of Finding Nemo, and you can see from this sign here that Little Mermaid and Lion King to the left, Cars to the right, this Hourglass Lake. Um, and there is the Skyliner. And you can see across the lake there is Century as well. Actually, you can see from here some of the rest of the resort. I'm going to take a moment while we're walking past this Finding Nemo area over to Lion King. The back side of these has like a artistic drawings. This is on the Cars, Finding Nemo, and Lion King sections. Uh, as per usual, Finding or Little Mermaid is a little bit different, but this is really nice walking path right along the lake. Walk by and watch the Skyliner. I won't ride it, but it's still cool to look at. I'm just terrified of heights. Sorry, not sorry. So, but each building has their own little kind of animal theme. See, like our character theme. Down there's Timon and Pumbaa. You got Timon drawings around the side. We just look at. Uh, there's Dorian. I'm sorry, I'm not a Finding Dory expert, so or Finding Nemo expert, so Dorian Crutch's son. But let's go check out what might be my favorite section. Because Lion King's more my speed. And through there, then we'll hit Little Mermaid, and then we'll let Bree show you the room. This is pretty amazing. There's all Rafiki there, all the characters. The building changes as you go through too, because the scene change. And there's five, what's it, five, so once again the music changes. Right here. Oh, Pumbaa, Simba. Right through here, see the building change as we go. And we get to walk underneath. We walk directly underneath the moon. So, yeah, you kind of see, the sky starts to come in more. It starts to get darker. The painting on the buildings. Then we get back over here. Got our second little playground area. You can see right there. It's your tent. Yeah, Lee. Can't remember the two names. Scar. We're walking through the elephant graveyard. So, I'm going to show you real quick here. See, we had all the bright colors and the savannah animals back there. Now here we've got darker colors, hyenas painted. So, on to the final section. I'm thinking, Bob, I've got 20 up there. So, sorry, I couldn't resist you. But let me show you the remainder here. We are, I'm going to finish this just in time because it's going to rain. But, or maybe you want to statue up right there. I don't know. So, this is obviously a Little Mermaid. You can see right here, see how it's a different building style. That kind of points to it being first one that the construction was started on, but the last one was finished. The last one was open, but there's Ursula, and this style didn't match what I saw across the lake at Pop Century. So, but Ursula, we've got some fish. Sebastian, we'll get to Triton in a minute. There's dancing fish all around the pool, which is kind of neat. I also see the type of art on the inside, very reminiscent to me of the All Star Resorts. We got a nice little pool here. Once again, so it appeared they had a Finding Nemo has a pool. Our final count, yes. There's a laundry room here. Final count. Let me. So had three pools. Finding Nemo, Cars, Little Mermaid. Had two kind of playgrounds. Finding Nemo and Lion King. Let's see, we got the Skyliners. There's a ton of swirls out here today. Um, but we're going around here, get more characters as we go. We've got the Little Mermaid right there, Ariel herself, with Flounder. Another view of the pool. Alright guys, so I hope I gave you a good enough tour of the resort so you can kind of see everything. There's a lot of family suites in the main sections over there. This one, or the rest of the sections over there, Little Mermaid is exclusive, seems to be exclusively singles. So something to consider. Remember again, uh, Bree is working as a full-time travel agent. I'll put that link right here. If you need assistance, need help, any of that kind of stuff, shoot her a message. There's a request. Scan the QR code. That's a request for a quote. I'll let you fill out some information so she can help you guys plan your perfect Disney vacation, or cruise, or Universal, or whatever. A lot of things she can do. But I'm going to hand it off to her now so she can show you guys around the hotel room. And then we will, I'll come back and give you some final thoughts here in a little bit.
All right, y'all, come with me to tour a standard Little Mermaid room at Disney's Art of Animation. We are room 9616, so that is building 9 in the Little Mermaid section. And we are on the second floor. Show you around. So this is going to be a 2-queen room. Y'all, this theming is the cutest. Got underwater curtains. Look at this mirror. Chairs look like seashells. There's like music on the table. Those headboards are too much. And come in, and this is your TV. Down here, you've got your cooler and some storage options. Here, you've got your coffee maker, got a coat hanger. And this little curtain will just separate off the bedroom from the bathroom. Look at that. Oh, gosh. In the bathroom, look at the floor made to look like cobblestone. This mirror is fantastic. It's just your countertop bathroom. Pretty standard, but you've got Ariel on your shower curtain. And then the whole shower is themed. There are still some H2O products in here. This is your shower. So yeah, that's the room.
Okay, so that's going to do it for our staycation. Um, you guys already saw the video for Jollywood Nights. That's the main reason we did this vacation. Plus, we want to show you guys around this resort. So, of the value resorts, this is the premium value resort. Um, I would tell you, I don't know, it's kind of difficult. I think if you're in the Little Mermaid section, I don't know that the amenities are any better than All Star. Um, don't really, again, we haven't stayed at Pop Century yet, so I don't really know about that one. But I don't know if the amenities here are any better, especially if you're in Little Mermaid. I don't know how the rooms in the other three would compare, and maybe we'll hit one of those at some point. But um, I don't know. I think for us, we'll give Pop Century a try, of course, but I would probably stay at the All Star Resorts as opposed to staying here. They're a little bit less expensive and similar quality. Now, if you've got a kid that loves cars, or you got a kid that loves Little Mermaid, or any of those, then yeah, absolutely. But overall, I mean, it's a nice resort, but I just think you can get better bang for your buck. It's really All Star Resort. So, anyways, though, guys, thanks for coming. We enjoy it. Uh, Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And we will see you next weekend. Bye.